Two-factor authentication, not working on Bankin Pro Fix. If you're locked out of your Bankin Pro account because your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't panic. This is one of the most common issues users face, and it's usually easy to fix. Bankin Pro integrates directly with your bank's login system, which means if there's any delay or mismatch in time or app updates, your verification can fail. Let's fix that step by step. Start by checking your device's clock settings. Go to your phone settings and enable set time automatically. Two-factor authentication codes are extremely time-sensitive. Being even a few seconds off can make your code invalid. If you use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and check for an option to sync time for codes. This simple action solves most failed login attempts. If you use some codes and they're not arriving, switch off Wi-Fi and try again using mobile data. Sometimes networks block automated text messages. You can also toggle airplane mode or disable your phone if you're using one. Make sure both your Bankin Pro app and your phone's operating system are fully updated. Outdated versions can fail to communicate securely with your bank's servers. If you've switched phones recently or restored from backup, your setup might not have transferred correctly. In that case, select Can't Access Two-Factor on the Bankin login page and reconfigure your authentication from scratch. Lastly, clear your app cache and restart your phone. It sounds simple, but cached data is one of the most overlooked causes of errors. Once these steps are done, your two-factor authentication should work perfectly again. And remember, while it can be frustrating, it was one of the most powerful tools protecting your banking data worth every extra second it takes to fix.